Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be checking out the Itel Smartwatch ISW 023, a budget-friendly smartwatch packed with some serious impressive features. We've got 2.02-inch HD display, we've got Bluetooth calling, over 100 plus sport modes, and yeah, it's also been said to be waterproof and tested for scratchproof. Sounds good, right? Let's take a closer look and see if this lives up to the hype on this product. We'll go through the design, the features, and the real world performance. And yes, we're going to put that to a durability test. This watch is also very much affordable, cost about $14 and in Naira about 24,000 Naira. In this box, we've got the essentials from the charging cable to a user manual to everything about the watch, even down to your warranty card. Yeah, so the user manual has everything you need to know about the code, about the watch, the warranty card in case we have any issue with the watch. You can return it back to them and get a new one or whatever. So yeah, this is how the watch looks like. The wristband is actually rubber and it can be changed, removed if you don't want it. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The face of the watch looks very premium and sleek. I can't even lie to you guys. When you wear it, it feels very light on your hand. Like it doesn't feel heavy in any way or anything. Later on in this video, we're going to be trying out and testing both waterproof and scratch proof features. To charge this device, all you need to do is to place the magnetic part of the cord to the back of the watch, just like I did in this video, and then you place it down for about 2 hours. Charging time for this device is 2 hours, and this can last you up to 3 to 5 days. Next up is you need to connect the watch to the phone. First, you have to select a language on the watch, and I selected English because that's my language. And next up, you scan the QR code on the watch, and just by opening your camera, and it takes you straight to the app. So the app that you're required to download is the iPulse Fitness and Health app. After downloading the app, you have to complete your profile, gender, height, weight, your birthday. Next up, you have to sign in. By doing this, all you need is your email address, and make sure that the email address is a place you can, like, you have access to it, because you need to get a code from that email address. So I put in, then it shows you this puzzle. When you fit in the puzzle, you are going to ask for a code, and that code will be sent to your email. That's why I say your email is very important. When you get the code from your email, you are going to put that verification code there, and next up, your device is going to, they're going to ask you to, turn on your Bluetooth. And once you turn on your Bluetooth on your device, you're going to see the watch there. You can see Itel ISW 023. So that's the device. All you have to do is pair, and voila, you're connected to your watch through your phone. Yeah, so next up, you can see that by swiping up, you can see messages. By swiping right, you can see your heart rate, your SpO2, and all of that. By swiping left, you can see every other activity on the phone. Yes. Next thing you want to do is actually to sync your contact and also set up your Bluetooth calling. Connect your device, ensure your device is connected via Bluetooth. That way, if your phone rings, it rings on your wristwatch as well. And you can pick up the call on your wristwatch and answer the person. And also sync your contact so that you can call directly from your watch as well. This is me carrying out the scratch proof test by using a screwdriver to scrape on this watch, and you guys can see nothing peeled out, nothing fell off and all of that. So we can say that the scratch proof test is actually 100%. This device is water resistant, which means it is rain proof and splash proof. I can stand up to even your sweatiest workout, but you're not expected to use it to either swim or shower. I just did this to confirm that it's water resistant. Yeah. Next up is how we're able to remove and fix the strap. You see this iron, just a little iron under the strap, you pull it back and you pull it out. That's it. In order for you to put it back, same method, you push it backwards, and then you're able to pull it back in as well. So yes, you can change the strap to another color. Probably you buy another color, you can change it to that other color as well. Now we're just going to be looking at the overall use of this watch. You can use this watch to set up a reminder to drink water. You can use it to, track your how many steps you've had in a day, how many calories you've burnt in a day. You can use it to find out your sleep, how many hours did you sleep, your heart rate. So all these things you can all check on this, and they are so simple. Once you tap it, you're able to see how to use it. It's not something that is difficult to use. The weather, messages from your phone, you can also get them here as well, you know, and all of that good stuff. It even has games, but I didn't really try to play any game on it or anything. So that brings me to the end of this video. I recommend you can buy this device for your parents, you can buy it for your loved ones, if you want to be able to track any of these things, you can decide to buy these devices for anybody. You can also buy it for yourself as well. So if you'd like to order it, you can use my link in the bio to get like a discount. Yeah, to be able to order for yourself as well. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate. Leave a like for me and a thumbs up so other people can see this video. And if you have any questions at all, drop in the comment section. I would answer each and every one of you. Thank you.